You might be asking yourself why you should bother with transcripts and long-form content when everything seems to be about short, punchy clips these days. Here is the reality. A single long-form video is actually a massive content goldmine if you know exactly how to mine it. When you transform a podcast, webinar, or YouTube video into text, you suddenly unlock a treasure trove of blog posts, newsletter content, and social media threads. Search engines cannot watch or listen to your videos, but they can read text, meaning your ideas can surface and drive traffic months or even years later. Instead of constantly grinding out brand new ideas every single week, you can systematically extract the very best parts from content you have already created. That is honestly how high-output creators scale their brand without burning out. And trust me, I have been there. Today, I want to walk you through a handful of tools I personally use for transcription, editing, and repurposing to speed up your process. To be completely transparent, every one of these tools has its specific place, ranging from free and simple options to pro-level automated suites. If you prioritize privacy and want to keep everything local on your machine, Audacity with a Whisper plugin is a fantastic free option. It runs entirely on your CPU, which is a great privacy win since no files ever need to be uploaded to the cloud. However, it can be a bit fiddly to set up for non-tech users, and you do not get a polished text editor or speaker labels by default. Moving on to web-based solutions, Riverside is the tool you reach for when you want something that is incredibly easy to use but still very powerful. Their in-browser text-based editor is like magic because deleting a segment of the transcript automatically removes that audio from your track. It is a complete end-to-end workflow, but just keep in mind that it requires cloud uploading and a consistent internet connection. If you are already living in the Adobe ecosystem, then Premiere Pro is going to be your go-to for professional transcription. It builds directly into your professional editing workflow, allowing you to scrub the timeline and watch the words light up in real time. Next up is Otter.ai, which has become the classic choice for meetings, interviews, and generating quick summaries. It is incredibly useful if you need speaker detection and an AI assistant that can summarize key points from your recorded chats. For those who need dedicated transcription with insane export options, Sonix is a long-standing favorite in the industry. It gives you everything from Word documents to SRT files, which is perfect if you are managing a high volume of transcripts. But let's be real, transcriptions are only the first step, because you still need to turn those long recordings into viral, shareable clips. This is where Vizard comes in, effectively acting as a shortcut from your long-form videos to high-performing social clips. Vizard really hits the sweet spot by automatically finding viral-worthy moments and formatting them for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. It feels a lot like having a junior editor who intuitively knows which moments in your video are going to perform well with your audience. You can also use its auto-schedule feature to queue up and publish your clips, which is a massive time saver for your social calendar. While tools like Riverside or Premiere are great for manual control, Vizard is essentially a clip-first platform designed specifically for volume. Of course, nothing is perfect, and Vizard is not a replacement for pro-level frame-by-frame color grading or complex visual effects. However, for most creators, it provides a fast baseline that allows you to start posting consistently without needing to hire a full-time editor. The ultimate workflow combines these tools. Use Sonix or Otter for accurate transcripts, Vizard for mass-producing clips, and Premiere for your polished flagship content. By compounding your efforts, you are not just making more videos, you are squeezing every possible post out of the ones you already made. Stop overthinking the content grind and start using automation to build a sustainable, evergreen library of searchable ideas. I can even help you draft a custom workflow for your specific niche. Whether you are a podcaster, educator, or a founder. Let me know in the comments if you want to see some sample short clip scripts or a breakdown of the best tools for your specific situation.